Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to back up MyEtherWallet. Backing up your wallet in MyEtherWallet is crucial for securing your funds and ensuring that you can always regain access to your wallet in case of loss or device failure. So in order to back up your wallet, first of all, open the MyEtherWallet application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your wallet by entering your PIN code. Once you're inside your wallet homepage, scroll down and tap on the Settings button from the Other Things option. After you open up the Settings menu, tap on View My Recovery Phase option at the top. You will now need to enter your wallet's PIN in order to get to another page. Go ahead and type it in. Now, you will be able to see your recovery phrases displayed on the screen. Make sure to write down the recovery phrases on a piece of paper in the correct order. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, make sure to keep them offline and never share it with anyone else. So, you can now use the backup phrase in case of device loss or device failure. So that is how you can easily back up your recovery phrases or back up your wallet on MyEtherWallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.